Hey you guys, what's up? How's it going? Logical Gaming here, and I am gonna be playing a hide and seek game I made. Someone commented, I forget his name, I think it was Alex, and I thought it was so funny that I had to try it out. And so here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit the game and make it a little bit better. So let's try to find. Oh, there he is. Found the goblin already. It's kind of cheating because I know all the possible hiding spots. But so, oh man, come here, goblin. He's actually never gone into this spot, so I haven't ever tried to get up. And he actually tries to run away from me, but I got him. So he says, "Man, you caught me, you win," and then it ends the game. So that's all it is. And now this one's really gonna be, because I haven't done any videos where I've actually made something in it. I've just kind of showcased what I have made, because sometimes it takes me a lot of thinking. And what I'm actually wanting to do in this video is add a hot and cold mechanic. So like, it'll tell you how close you are, like in the form of like redder or more blue of a cube or something. And I really have no clue if I can do it. So right now all the brains is, so this guy, his brain is just walking around brain. I think that's all it is. Yeah, so he can move and jump. And there's a follow camera. And I made him move twice as fast as usual, just to speed things up. Whoops. So this logic cube, let's see what it does. I don't remember. I think, okay, so what this one does is just one time it sets a variable that I made, hide location, it equals a random number from 1 to 5, and it's as an integer, so it's either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And then what I did is I made 5 different logic cubes, and those say if hide number equals 1, put the goblin here. So I think that's what this one says. So yeah, if it equals 1, create the goblin at my position, and then switch it to the next page where it just doesn't do anything at all. Because that makes it so it only creates one. If I just left it on this page, it would just make like 1,000 of them until the game crashed. So let's try and make a hot or cold mechanic right now. So I'll put in a logic cube, and I'm probably not gonna be able to be good at like talking while I'm thinking this through. So I want it to display, or I'll make a. Okay, I'll make a new variable and name it distance away, or distance from goblin. Okay, so that's going to be distance from goblin, and that equals is there what? Okay, so now we'll go to the in-world picker. I'll pick the goblin, and so the equals the goblin's distance from, or distance to. Whoa. Great. Okay, I think I'm going to have to do it in the goblin's brain for it to know how far away it is. So, but the problem is I have him running away from the peasant as soon as he sees him. So I guess I'll just get rid of that completely. I thought that kind of made it a little bit more fun, but... So I'll totally get rid of this page. Okay, so I'll put once, or no, it'll just be always. So if you leave it blank, that means always. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that. So we'll take our variable, which is going to be distance from goblin, and it equals distance to this guy. So, and then now I can have it always display it. So create a display in screen location top center of, it'll display the distance from goblin in extra large font. It's too bad you can't have a custom font size. I bet they'll change that up. So look, it says it's okay, so that works, right? But what I want to do now is turn that into being like, from being a number to being actually a shape that turns red or blue, which is the tricky part. I was pretty confident I could get this far. So yeah, that's all it is. But I don't know why he didn't. Oh, because that's actually one of the hiding spots, I guess. Whoops, I never put that anywhere. So this is the 5th hiding spot. Okay, well, okay, so we know it works. I'll change up the hiding spots because that's easy to do. I can just drag the logic cubes anywhere and he'll go there. And I actually made a huge world. But right now the hiding spots are just like, there's one here, here, and then 2 over there, and then that one. So I want to make a cube. So if we go here, I think it's called primitive cube. The scroll bars are still really messed up. So primitive cube. So put that here. And I've never ever experimented with colors. So let's see what options they have. So I'll make a color variable. I'll name it redness. Okay, and I want it to equal I don't know how to set. There we go. Okay. So we'll make it equal red. Okay, this is taking a lot of concentration. So I want it to say when oh, I need to be putting global on these. Oh, that's brutal. That gets me every time. I'm glad I realized that. That could have been pretty frustrating. So this is going to be global. So you can see how easy it is to forget about that. Or maybe you can't. Maybe you just think I'm an idiot, but still. So, okay. So we'll say when, or let's just see. Let's just see if I type in redness equals, and I do the variable. Let's just see what happens. Okay, so you can't do a number. Sorry guys, I should have been more prepared. What's this? Tertiary? Oh no, this is a fail. I was so confident I could do it. Okay. Well, so at least we got it to where it'll show you the distance from the object, but that just makes it kind of easy, I guess. It would have been really cool if we could see, so it says 80. So you know it's this way somewhere. So if I start going away, it'll increase. So that's cool. At least I could do something. But yeah, so here's a hide and seek game, and I love all the new comments you guys have been doing. There have been I don't know where this is. There have been some awesome ones lately. Avatar: The Last Airbender. I'm so excited to try that out. Okay, there he is. And so Avatar: The Last Airbender, and a guy wanted me to make like a Spider-Man kind of mechanic where you could shoot out webs or like Tarzan or whatever and swing from stuff. Like shoot out and it would attach and then you would swing. That'd be so cool. I'm gonna really try that. But keep commenting, you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. I'm actually gonna show a castle I tried to make real quick. Oh, I want to save. Then that'll be it. So what I try to do, since I'm not very creative and good at building things, so when I did this castle, I just made it exactly like it was Minecraft. And for some reason, the thumbnails are really messed up. Like, it just shows a random thumbnail. I don't know if I've mentioned that before. But so I tried to do it exactly like Minecraft. So I took a block, and I just kept putting them on top of each other, making a castle. And I actually hit the prop limit, which isn't surprising. So there's a limit to how many items you can have. But very soon, probably very soon, they're going to add the option to glue objects. So say if I go into so I go to editor, and so I select this cube, and I go to properties. Oh, never mind. But there's an option. I forget where you find it, but it says glued objects. And yeah, look how many I have attached to it. That way I can copy and paste this whole giant thing. So yeah, I'm going to try to add more to this right now. So say if I copy and paste this, we'll see what happens. And we'll see if it crashes. And if it does, then that'll be it for this episode, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. I guess it's not going to crash. I don't know what's going on. Let's go to play. And this castle is actually huge. Look how big it is. See, that would have been so sick if I could have made that. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Sorry, this episode, I guess, was kind of bad because I failed. I'll be working so hard on making Avatar or Spider-Man, and even like Asteroids. I tried Asteroids, if you saw that at the beginning. That's what I was working on. But that was trickier than I thought it was going to be. And yeah, I'm really at least trying to give every single one of your comments like at least an attempt, and doing my best. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. I love all your feedback. I've said that like 3 times already in this episode, but I really do love it so much, and I'll see you later.